Okay, guys. Hi there. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to share with you how to install the embroidery foot on your Brother SE2000. Okay? So, the first thing we want to do is turn on the light. Didn't come on there for a minute. I was wondering what was happening. Okay, so now it's on, okay? So, this area is well lit so we can work in it. Now, the next thing we want to do is to touch the screen. Once you touch the screen, the machine will make that noise, okay? No fear, you're on the right track. Now you want to go ahead and touch this button here. Okay, your needle went down, but you don't want it down, you want it up. So you want to press that again. Make sure it's all the way up. And after you do that, you'll press this button. It locks it and it will not move. So that when you're working with the machine, the needle area is completely frozen. So now that we've done that, let's go ahead and shift this machine just a little bit right here. Okay, so what we want to do right now, okay, notice here, let me point this out. I took off the embroidery unit because it's a bit difficult to reach across it when installing the embroidery presser foot. So, oops, we're going to turn it like that so that I can get here to the area that I need to work on. Can't lift, so I have to pull it a little. Okay, let's see if we can get this to, okay. Let's get it to the point where you can see well. So we have to hold this a certain way in order to get it on. So what you want to do is right here, you have this lever. Let me make sure you can see it. Right here, you have this lever. You want to hold that. See, when I press it, it moves, right? You want to put your finger on here and hold this area over here. Okay, so let's go ahead and hold it like that. And now we're going to install it using our right hand. Let's go ahead and make sure you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, so we're going to put it at the base of this right here. Okay, and we're going to turn this area to go around and lap around that screw. So we're going to put it on, turn it, turn, and it's in place. Make sure you're holding the lever at all times. And when I say holding the lever, I mean you're holding this. So you're literally squeezing that down, okay? And then you're going to go ahead and put this around the base of that metal rod and turn it so that it's in line with this screw right here. And keep holding the lever off the embroidery foot. And now we're going to turn this using this screwdriver, the one provided, which we use with the hoops and also with this. And we're going to just get this on here. You want to now, at this point, after doing some screw, you want to make sure that this bottom area here, make sure that your presser foot is installed properly because the needle would be going up and down through that space. And we're going to keep turning. And if it comes out, you just go ahead and put it back in. You know what? It's righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. And I think I went loosey. That's okay. That's how we learn. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to, oops, daisy. The screw fell. Okay, I have two options. Start this or keep going. I'm going to keep going. This screw just fell out of this space right here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to screw it right back in because it doesn't need to be all the way out. See, it fell out and nothing broke. Now we're screwing it back in. And now we're going to go ahead and attach this. Once more, we're going to hold the lever and we're going to come here, raise it up, put it on first. Let me try that again. Hold the lever, come in here, put it on, turn it around. Okay, maybe I screwed the screw too tight. So we're going to pull it back out a little bit and we're going to put it right there. And now it's on. So now we're going to go ahead and screw it on. Tighten it. Okay. Whoops. Hold it steady. And you may not be able to give it a complete turn, but you can turn it a little bit. And that will work too. If you can screw a little bit with your fingers, go right ahead and do that and tighten it. Or you can keep using the screwdriver. I think I'm going to keep using the screwdriver. So now it's turned. Okay, so it's turned. Okay. I believe it's on securely. Let's see. I'm going to move it down and move it up. Down and up. And it seems to be secure. I'm going to go ahead and give it one more screw to tighten it. And it seems to be in place. And the needle is completely over the hole where it needs to be. Okay, so there we've successfully installed our embroidery foot. Right there. See that? Now, once you're finished with that, here, your press-a-foot lever is used to move the embroidery foot up and down. And then what you can do is press this. You pressed it before to make it go up and down. It's still not going up and down. And now we're going to go back and press this. And now it goes up and down. Down when you press it. Up when you press it. Same button. Okay? But it's now functional. Okay? So that's it, my friends. That's all there is to it. That's all there is to installing your embroidery foot. I hope this helped you. And it was great seeing you guys again. Until next time, have a fantastic evening. Bye for now.